Okay, to make a flower, first you take 6 pieces of yellow or orange paper, preferably because that is the color of the Flor de Muerto. And the Flor de Muerto is also called the cempasúchil, which would be really neat if you could tell the people at the station that it was called the cempasúchil. And it is the Nahuatl word for the marigold. And so what you're going to do is you're going to fold it like a fan and just go back and forth until you have what looks like a fan. And you want it maybe a 1/2 inch on each of the folds, so it's about like that. Okay, and what you're going to do is you're going to take the stem, just kind of wrap it around the middle, and then just kind of twist it around down here so it doesn't come undone. And this part, you have to be very careful. What you're going to do is you're going to take each individual piece of paper and you're going to fluff it out. So you kind of take it and pull it away from the bottom. That's your middle layer. And then you're going to go do the same thing with the other side. Okay. And you want to kind of take the edge and kind of pull it over a little bit so it goes a little bit around, so you don't end up with a flower that looks like this. Okay, you want to pull it so that it kind of wraps around. And then you do the same thing with the next layer. And just kind of pull it gently over on the side there, so you get a nice little round looking flower as opposed to like a butterfly. And if you wanted to, what you could do with these is you could layer every other piece of paper orange and yellow, so you could have like a flower that was kind of two-tone. And of course we have other colors of paper that you could use, but the traditional at the Day of the Dead altars and ofrendas, you're going to have yellow and orange, which are the colors of the Flor de Muerto. And sometimes you'll even see black ones because it kind of represents death, even though death is not seen as like a negative thing. Of course, things that are not alive generally, are like flowers and things, would be kind of black. So that can also be a way of representing death, even though usually the dead are represented in a very animated way, as to represent them coming back to life on the Day of the Dead. And so here you have your marigold, and you're done.